Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, my name is Abdurrahman Turkman from Mazar Sharif, Afghanistan, and today I want to show you how to turn on your iPhone without even touching power button. If your iPhone's power button is broken or not working, just like mine. As you can see, when I press my iPhone's power button, nothing happens because it's broken. So now I will show you how to turn on your iPhone without touching power button. So first of all, connect your charger, connect your iPhone charger, connect your iPhone charger to socket. After that, connect it, and now wait for a few seconds until this Apple logo appears. If your iPhone is turned on because of low battery, it will take 10 or 15 minutes to appear this logo, because iPhones usually turn on when the battery is up to 30 or 35%. So once this Apple logo appears, just disconnect your charger and it should turn on. Boom, here it is. As you can see, now my iPhone is turned on. Here's your iPhone. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for my latest videos. So I'll see you next time. Till then, watch other videos on my channel. So I'll see you next time. Peace out.